So we're going to try out some new bar end mirrors. So these are Amazon Special Fenrir motorcycle mirrors. Now these do have a kind of a blue tint to them, which I prefer the clear, but hey, it's okay. And these, now I did change my bar, so I have a different bar on it on my bike. So the stock bar end, you would just use the bolt and bolt it in. But since the new bar that I have doesn't have the bolt anymore, so we have this sleeve, and he's put it in and tighten it up, and that's all it does. It just spreads open and catches. There's another sleeve that goes over this one, so if your bar hole is larger, and it also comes with a bolt in case if you didn't have your bolt to use. So let's slap this on. It's just gonna be a quick video on installing these. So we're gonna use a little blue Loctite on our bolt. Not quite sure where it grabs at, so I'm just gonna put an extra on there. And all you would do is just put this mirror on the bar end, put your bolt in, put your adapter, or whatever that thing is called. It spreads to catch the bar. It just goes in just like that. Kind of get the mirror how you like it, and tighten it up. And that's it. They are on. Already did the other side. And so there's a screw here, you can adjust that so you can adjust the arm up and down however you'd like it. So I do like these better than the other kind, because it doesn't feel like it's crowding my hand. I'll get some riding in on these, and I'll come back and give you a review on what I think compared to the other set I had on. So far I do like them. So please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.